Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize your YouTube channel colors. So here's an example of what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this. Like when you're in a YouTube channel on the mobile app, and then you can see right above the channel banner, there's this little bar right here which is blue. And for me it's blue, used to be red. And for other channels it's kind of different. Like for this channel, their banner is a different color. And then for this channel, this one's a different color. And then the same thing with this. So you might be wondering right now, how do you change the colors on your channel? And there aren't anything that's randomized, so if you don't like this color of your channel banner, there's a way to change it. So I'm gonna teach you how right now. First up, you want to open Customize Channel, which you see on the desktop version of YouTube, right next to your name. When you open up to my channel, when you open up to your channel on YouTube, and then when you click on Customize Channel, you should be taken to this page. Right here on the channel customization, you see layout. We want to go to Brandon, and then here we can change our profile picture and our banner image, as long as our video watermark. But I don't have a watermark. What we need to change here is our YouTube channel banner, which is the image that appears on the top of your channel. So it's this thing right here. So what we need to do is we need to change it, and we need to get an image that's about 2048 1152 pixels, and it's also less than 6 megabytes. So what we're gonna do is I opened up my Google Drive, and we're going to create a new Google Drawing. I'm gonna wait for that to open up. Meanwhile, I'm gonna show you my channel banner. This is what it looks like. It kind of looks like this right now. Right here, it's got this part from the banner you can see right here, and then it's got all this red out here. And the reason it's there is so the channel color could be changed. Now right now it's red, so it doesn't coordinate with this. It doesn't coordinate with my blue right here, but I'm using a different image. Now that our Untitled Drawing is opened up, we need to go to File, all the way down to Page Setup, and then we need to open up Custom, and we need to set 2048 by 1152 pixels. I'm just gotta check this. Yeah. I don't know what happened here. Alright. Now that it's the same size as we need our channel banner to be, we can start doing stuff. First of all, we need one big shape. Like you would want it to be a square, and it wants to be a square that covers the whole Google Drawing from the top to the bottom, covering every corner and edge. So this is how we change the channel color. Then right here, right somewhere in the middle, you can place here this little part of your banner or whatever you want to use it for, or wherever you want to place your content on your banners. Like if I find up an image of an apple, paste it. So now I put an apple on my channel banner. And right there we see the apple. And then out here, what we will do is we'll change the color of this whole shape. Of this outer shape, you can go up to the bucket fill thing right under tools, or right next to like the insert image. Click on it. You can change it to a color. Like I can change it to orange, or I could change it to purple. Maybe I'll change it to red because the apple is red. So now that we changed that, we've now created a channel banner with a red channel color. And just to demonstrate, we'll go File, go to Download. Download is a JPEG image. and we're going to name it, I'm going to name it Apple. Then we go channel customization, go and change the banner image, and then we'll go take that image, and then we see this. You don't need to edit anything. If you did it right, I don't think you need to edit anything out. Now we can just press done and then publish. Alright, now that publish is done, we can open up the app again and see what changes. Alright, now that it's refreshed, you can see I got my new channel banner with the apple on it. And then up here, the channel color's changed. Now it's red. So yeah, that's in. So I changed it, and the way I changed it was because of this outer color. Right now, for the whole channel banner, this big shape that I've colored red takes up most of the space of the banner. If I color this green, I can change the color I can change the channel color at my will. And the reason it does that is because when the computer looks at your channel banner, it takes this color that dominates more of the screen or more of the drawn than anything else on the drawn. Yeah. And because of that, it will automatically set the channel color to be that color. Right now we set it to red. So that means the computer will sense this red all over here, and then it'll change the color over here to be red. And then we go over here, we can change the color again to a different color, maybe purple this time. And now when we come back to channel customization, we change the banner again. And then we open up this one with the purple color. You can see how most of the whole banner is just purple. It's just that purple color. And on TV, the people watching on TV will probably see all that purple, but that doesn't matter. We press done. And now we change the color again. It's the same image, the same background image for the apple, but it's a different channel color because of this big background color. So just like right here on my channel banner, this one's red. The big is the dominating color of the whole banner, so the computer will recognize it and then set it to be that color. It's not going to be precisely that color. As you can see, this here's a lighter shade of purple. This is a darker shade of purple. YouTube has like a couple options for channel colors. One thing, you cannot change the color to black or white, because then YouTube will just make it gray, like night gray, as in Mr. Beast. Like here, his banner is just full black. So because of that, it just sets it to night gray, because black is the dominating color. And then here, if you don't have a channel banner, it just doesn't show up. If you don't have a channel banner, it's just going to be the same light gray color. So now that you know how to do them, now you know how to change the channel color. I'm going to give you a couple tips. I'm going to teach you a new thing. But it's like for this thing, you don't want to set the shape, this little square, to know that the channel color is kind of protruding from the top of the screen. And people can see that color at the top of the banner, because it looks kind of snappy and not well done. So you want to, I've made this shape, so when you're on this 2048 by 1152 pixel drawn, you can take a shape. I'm going to create a new shape to demonstrate. It's another black shape. We want the cover the whole width of the screen, the whole width of the banner. So now it's this. Gotta set it. Now just like this, we need it to be the same length. If we go all the way over here, we get this arrow, hide the menu. We can now see these no ruler markings. And we can tell this shape is about 3.5, maybe a bit 3.5, somewhere between here. So we need to set this thing to be the same shape, to be the same size. Go over here and set it 3.5, maybe a bit between 3.5 and 3.5/8. And then now we have this shape. It's dig, which is the exact same size as this banner shape. And then when we take that shape, we just need to move it down. Event. One of these red lines here will tell you when it's perfectly in the middle. Maybe. Or yeah. So then when you see that horizontal red line, it'll tell you it's perfectly centered. You can lay it there. And just to demonstrate to you that I got the dimensions right when we download it, and then use this as a banner. The dimensions are just right that the color does not protrude into the viewable on all devices part. When you set that, when you set this as your banner, that color will not show up here, and it will not show up here. Like here I said, you do not see the color kind of protruding out from the corner or over here. You don't see it protruding out either. So when you come here, that shape that's about 3.5, I don't know what unit is, but about 3.5, I'm gonna say inches for now, 3.5 inches non, like non over this, non vertically. Then put it in the middle. You can take anything like images and stuff, put it in here, as long as it doesn't show up over this edge, under this edge. Like within here, it can show up on the channel. It can show up on the channel completely clear. So just like this thing is not coming up all the way over. It's not protruding. It's not protruding out over here, so it's visible. And I think I just showed you how to change your YouTube channel colors and how to set the banner to the perfect size. Alright. So I hope to see you again in another video. And if you like this tutorial, if it worked for you, you can comment down telling me it worked, or like this video. Anyways, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Alright, bye.